Alright, so Memecoin Supercycle is running, and in this Memecoin Supercycle, if you wanted to be successful, you have to be updated with the latest tools and you have to use them very smartly to identify the good tokens. So in this video, I will talk about one of the best tool that I actually use to figure it out whether which token is performing well and not. So this platform known as HolderScan, and in this platform, as you can see right now, I have selected multiple tokens here, which is SPX, Giga, Sigma, USA, Popcat, Viv, Tolan, Michi. So a lot of tokens are there. So using this platform, what you can actually identify is what is the behavior of the holders of a token. For example, let's take the example of SPX. So right now, as you can see, 18,000 holders are here right now, and 4 hours, if you see the statistics in the past 4 hours, 34 new addresses started accumulating SPX. In the 12 hours, this is the trend. So through this, you can see every single hour, every 4 hours actually, people are adopting the SPX. So this is the platform, and this static is actually very helpful while you are finding the real next $1 billion or maybe a good meme coin. You can also get the details of the SPX. If you click over the SPX here, then this is the whole chart. So now, as you can see, this is the ticker and this is the whole graph that is from 9th of October, and this is the stats, like how the holders are growing. So if red, that means holders are declining. But as you can see from the past 10 to 12 days, not even a single red candle. That means the whole SPX adoption is increasing. And this is the detail in the table format. So basically, ticker is SPX, total number of holders, which is 18,000, and the holders which have at least $10 into their wallet, which is 15,000. 83% people having $10 plus SPX holding into their wallet, and the current market cap. So these are the stats. But if you see this, top holder have 14% of holding, top 10 holders has 30%. So basically what you can do, so whether in the previous times you actually go to the ether scan, maybe soul scan, to understand the distribution of the tokens, but now this is the holder scan, and here we have a lot of statistics there, like distribution score. So now the distribution score of SPX is 45, and they have properly described that the range goes from 0 to 100. Means 0 means single holder, means if single holder holding every token, that value will be go to the 0, and 100 if it is distributed perfectly. So the score is 45, which is fair. There is another stats which is HHI, and this range from 0 to 10,000, and now 31, which is again fair. Median score, median holder, which is 153. So this is a very good platform to analyze the meme coin basically statistics. So for example, if I go to the dex screener, so let's go to the home page of the holder scan, and this is how this thing is actually works. So if let's choose any token, for example, let's take this token, Jerry. All right, so currently this is trading at $27 million, and let's copy the address. And if I go to holder scan and if I click, okay, so it is saying it's all over now. Let's remove one of the token which I feel not useless, but actually that we can remove it. For now, let's remove Pepe here and click and put the address. And I hope we will get the detail of this token. I think this is not registered yet. Let's take another example for now. I think Popcat is already there. Yeah, Popcat is here. Let's choose another one, maybe Goat, which is very trending right now. So this is the Goat, and let's copy this address and then click to this and paste here. Got, yeah, this is the token, and now you can see the holder growth. Every hour people are growing, and if I change this filter, total holder, which is greater than $10, we can see in the past 4 hours 115 people left the goat. And if I click, then you can see everything here. Now we have red candles also, like people are dropping and dumping to the people. Top holder has 1%, gate.io has 1%, distribution score is this. So if you are very good at maths and if you understand the quant, so basically you can actually decide whether numbers are in favor or against your trade. So this is the one of the best platform that you can actually use it to leverage your meme coins trading. So that's all about the HolderScan, and I hope you will explore this platform, because this platform is one of the very frequent used platform right now for the people who are trading into the meme coin. So if you have any new findings using this platform, if you have any strategy that you have designed to figure it out the better meme coin, just write it down into the comment section, because that will be very helpful for the community and for the me as well. See you into the next video. Thank you.